Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with a new video. There's new mods in the car, so I want to show you guys what I've done so far and what I've deleted off this car because I've taken some things out. I just took it to the car wash. The car is cleaned up and we are here in sunny California. Welcome to downtown LA. It is a sunny and beautiful day out here in California. First of all, I want to thank you guys so much because a lot of followers are coming in. I love that the people are watching the channel, and yeah, I'm gonna keep making these videos for you guys, and hopefully you know, the channel takes off even more. And I wanted to share with you guys some of the new mods that I've done to the car. So here it is. If you guys can tell, I added this splash guards, the Euro splash guards. Those were added today actually. Super easy installation. I had fun doing it. It was about maybe 15 minutes each splash guard. I deleted those mud flaps. Now you can see more of the tire. Remember, I got the spacers on this. I got the 20mm spacers and it looks ridiculous. It looks awesome. The tires are sticking out a little bit. You can tell right here. There they are. So they're flushed, they're very flushed, but I remember that the splash guards would cover this part of the tire. Now the tire is showing, which gives it a little beefier look when you go to the back like that. I don't know about you guys, but I love that look. Another thing I took off, guys, was the tint overlays. I went back to stock. I do have the stock tail lights, and I did take off the overlays. I don't know why. I get bored sometimes and I just kind of do different things to the car, and that was one of the things. I like the stock color look of the tail lights, so I went ahead and did that. I also took off the overlays here on the rear fog light, the third brake light, and reverse light. So those are LEDs. Toe strap, if you guys can tell right there, I got the black with the red STI. Let me show you guys how I hooked it up here. There is actually a hole up here on the car, so I just threw some washers so the screw doesn't go through, and then one in the back, one in the front. There you have it. Easy fix. The other one, there's a hole here. I know, ouch. The old one used to hang from here. I made a hole, but you cannot tell, so we're good. Now the toe strap, it's black with the red, and I love that. Yeah, guys, so I mean, I've done a lot to it, little things, but it changes the look tremendously. It's a totally different look that I went with, and I'm liking it. I deleted a couple things, but I'm loving the look. The car looks really sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. It's a quick updates video. So before I wrap this video up, guys, I want to go ahead and just shout out Subia's Bros. This is their shirt, this is their clothing line. I told them that I was going to go ahead and support them, so I bought me one. Check them out. I'm all about supporting, guys. I'm all about supporting others and doing their thing. So I'll show you guys a little bit more of my city. I love LA. This is where I was born and raised, literally a few blocks from downtown. So I'll let you guys check out the city. I'll do some panel shots. I'll catch you guys on the next one.